Tikka isn't loud. They don't pay celebrity endorsers, they don't run Super Bowl ads, and they don't flood your Instagram feed with paid reviewers. But walk into any precision rifle match in 2026 and you'll spot Tikka actions on half the firing line, built in the same Saco factory in Finland that produces rifles costing twice as much. These guns punch absurdly above their weight. So let's rank every current model worst to best and figure out which one actually deserves your money this year. Tikka T1XMTR, starting at the bottom, isn't really starting at the bottom, but the T1XMTR has to land here. It's a rimfire 22 LR running around $578 to $620, and it's the cheapest Tikka you can buy. The action is buttery smooth. The bolt throw is a tight 45 degrees, and it shares the exact same trigger mechanism as every centerfire Tikka, which is genuinely wild for the price point. Reviewers regularly pull half-inch groups at 100 yards with match ammo, and one tester even tagged a 4x4-inch target at 300 yards with 22 LR. So why is it last? Because it's a rimfire, limited by caliber rather than build quality. There's also one quirk worth knowing about. You can't dry fire it safely because the firing pin will eventually break. But for under $600, this is the best precision rimfire most people can buy without taking out a loan. Tikka T3X Batu, next up, the T3X Batu. This is a niche carbine designed for driven hunts in Europe, with open sights and a stubby barrel meant for fast target acquisition in heavy cover. It's reliable and it's accurate, but the use case is razor thin. Unless you're chasing wild boar through thick brush at close range, you're paying for features you'll never touch. Therefore, it ranks low for general buyers. However, if driven hunting is your thing, nothing else in the Tikka lineup competes with what this carbine does. Tikka T3X Hunter. Now things get interesting. The T3X Hunter rolls in around $1,058 with a walnut stock and blued steel that screams 1970s heirloom. But unlike the Batu, this rifle works for almost any North American hunter. The trigger adjusts from 2 to 4 pounds with a single screw through the magazine well, no gunsmithing required. The 70-degree bolt lift gives you serious clearance for big scopes. The downside? Walnut and rain don't mix, and the wood adds noticeable weight compared to the synthetic options coming up next. So it's gorgeous, it's classic, it'll last generations if you take care of it, but it's not the most practical rifle on this list. Tikka T3X Lite. Climbing up, the T3X Lite sits in the sweet spot at around $850. This is the rifle that built Tikka's American reputation from the ground up. It weighs about 6.4 pounds, the fiberglass reinforced synthetic stock laughs at weather, and it'll shoot sub-MOA all day long with cheap factory ammo. Unlike the Hunter, the Lite gives up the looks but wins on practicality, weight and weather resistance. However, the basic black stock feels plain at this price point, and the recoil pad is mediocre at best. Most buyers immediately swap it for a limb-saver pad within the first week of ownership. Even with those complaints, you won't find a more reliable hunting rifle for the money anywhere in this segment. Tikka T3X Super Light. The Super Light improves on the Light by trimming weight with a fluted barrel and fluted bolt, running around $1,100 to $1,200 depending on caliber. Sounds great on paper, right? But here's the catch nobody mentions in the glossy magazine reviews. The lighter weight cranks up felt recoil noticeably, especially in magnums like the 7mm Rem Mag or 300 Win Mag. So unless you're seriously hiking deep into the backcountry where every ounce matters, you're spending more money for a worse shooting experience at the bench. Therefore, the Super Light makes sense for one specific user, the dedicated mountain hunter, and almost nobody else. Tikka T3X Super Varmint. This is your surprise ranking moment, and it'll probably trigger some comments. On paper, the Super Varmint at $1,500 to $1,700 looks like a serious upgrade. Heavy 24-inch threaded barrel, adjustable cheek riser, built for prairie dogs at 800 yards or bench rest precision work. And yeah, it's stupidly accurate when you've got it locked into a rest. But here's the truth, most channels won't tell you. The Super Varmint gets outshot by the cheaper light rough tech in real-world hunting scenarios because it weighs a ton, balances like a brick on a bipod, and basically locks you into bench-only shooting. Therefore, it ranks below rifles that cost less. If you're not living at a shooting bench full time, your money goes a lot further somewhere else on this list. Tikka T 3X Lite Rough Tech. Speaking of which, the Lite Rough Tech is where the Tikka lineup gets genuinely exciting. Pricing runs $1,000 to $1,340 depending on caliber, finish, and whether you grab the Coyote Tan or Ember Tungsten Cerakote, you get a fluted barrel, fluted bolt, muzzle brake, threaded 5/8 by 24 muzzle, and that grippy, textured Rough Tech stock that holds firm in rain or snow. One independent reviewer reported his Rough Tech grouping tighter at distance than his $2,300 TAC A1, which says everything about the value proposition here. The 6.5 PRC version runs a 1-in-8 twist that eats heavy match bullets like a dedicated long-range setup. The trade-off? The textured finish scratches if you bang it around the truck bed, and that muzzle brake will rattle your fillings without ear protection. But pound for pound, this is the best hunting Tikka on the market right now. Tikka T3X CTR. Now we hit the elite tier. The T3X CTR, or Compact Tactical Rifle, runs around $993 to $1,200, and this is where smart shooters quietly land while everybody else argues about more expensive options. You get a 20-inch heavy barrel, a double-stack 10-round detachable magazine, and an integrated Picatinny rail straight from the factory. Unlike the Rough Tech, which is built primarily for hunting purposes, the CTR doubles as a serious competition rifle without breaking a sweat or your bank account. Elk on Saturday morning, PRS factory match on Sunday afternoon, no modifications needed in between. The price to performance ratio here is honestly disrespectful to the rest of the rifle industry. Tikka T 3X TAC A1. The TAC A1 at $2,049 to $2,319 is a chassis-style precision rifle with a folding stock, integrated Picatinny rail, M-LOK fore-end, and 10-round magazines straight from the box. The 6.5 Creedmoor version has documented hits on a 24-inch plate at 1,800 yards in 25 mph wind, with a 60% hit rate in field testing. That's elite territory for any factory rifle, period. But it weighs over 11 pounds loaded, which means it's not a hunting rifle by any stretch. It's a precision target tool built for one thing only. Therefore it ranks just below number 1, because it's brilliant at competition shooting, but useless for everything else outside the range. Tikka T 3X Ace Target, which brings us to the top of the mountain. The T3X Ace Target is the most refined factory precision rifle Tikka has ever produced, and the engineering shows in every detail. Built specifically for PRS factory division and NRL competition, it ships ready to shoot straight out of the box. No aftermarket chassis swap, no trigger upgrade, no bedding job needed before your first match. The cold hammer-forged barrel is free-floating. The chassis is fully modular and adjustable. Parts cross over with both newer and older Tikka models, which means upgrades and replacements stay cheap forever. Compared directly to the TAC A1, the Ace Target offers refined ergonomics, a better trigger out of the box, and a barrel profile optimized for repeatable performance, shot after shot. So yeah, this is the best Tikka rifle you can buy in 2026, and arguably one of the best factory precision rifles available at any price point. The takeaway is simple. There isn't really a bad Tikka anywhere in this entire lineup. Every rifle on this list will outshoot most factory competitors in its price range, which is exactly why this brand keeps stealing market share from companies that have been around twice as long. If you're hunting rough country in any weather, the Rough Tech or the Hunter will treat you right for the next 20 years. If you're stepping into competition without breaking the bank, the CTR gives you the best return on every single dollar in the entire lineup. And if you want the absolute peak of what Finnish engineering can put into a factory rifle, the Ace Target sits at the top of the mountain, and it earned every inch of that view.